You've been sitting for 6 hours. Your hips are locked, your spine feels like a rusted hinge, and you haven't stood up except for coffee. Here's the problem. That's not just discomfort. That's your body quietly losing mobility, one meeting at a time. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact routine that turns your office chair from the enemy of your body into the tool that fixes it. No gym, no mat, no excuses. Let's go. Welcome back to Vital Body Project, the channel that helps you move better, feel better, and perform at your best, even if your day is spent trapped behind a desk. If that's you, hit subscribe, because we drop routines like this every week. Now, chair, notebook down, phone on silent. Let's fix your body without leaving your seat. Why this matters. Here's what's actually happening when you sit for hours. Your hip flexors shorten, your glutes go quiet, your thoracic spine stiffens, and your shoulders round forward. That's the desk posture you see in the mirror, and it's not aging. It's disuse. The good news, movement reverses this fast. This routine hits 5 zones: hips, spine, shoulders, neck, and lower body activation, using nothing but the chair you're already sitting in. 10 minutes. Let's start with the spine. Block 1. Spinal mobility. Demo each move for 30 to 40 seconds, on-screen rep time counter. 1. Seated cat-cow, 45C. Hands on knees, round the spine, then arch it. Feel that? That's blood flow returning to discs that have been compressed all morning. 2. Seated spinal twist, both sides, 45 sec. Hand on opposite knee, rotate and hold 3 breaths each side. 3. Chair side bend, both sides, L. Reach overhead, lean side to side. Your spine just moved more in the last 2 minutes than it did in the last 2 hours. Block 2. Hip mobility. The desk sitter's #1 problem area. 1. Seated figure 4 stretch, both sides, 45C. Ankle on opposite knee, hinge forward. This is the single best move for tight hips from sitting. Do not skip this one. 2. Standing hip flexor stretch using chair for balance, both sides, 45 sec. 3. Seated marching, 30C. Alternate knee drives activates hip flexors and core. Block 3. Shoulders and upper back. Undo the desk hunch. 1. Seated doorwayless chest opener. Clasp hands behind back, lift chest. 2. Shoulder rolls, forward and back, 30 sec. 3. Thread the needle, seated, both sides, 45 sec. Reach one arm under and across. 4. Wall chair back wrist and forearm stretch. If you type all day, your forearms need this as much as your shoulders do. Block 4. Neck and upper trap release. 1. Neck side bend, both sides, 30 sec. 2. Chin tucks, 30C. Retract chin straight back, 10 reps. 3. Ear to shoulder stretch with light hand assist, both sides, 30 sec. This one's small, but it's the difference between a tension headache at 3 p.m. and actually feeling good at 3 p.m. Block 5. Standing reactivation, high performance finish. Stand up, use chair for support/balance only. 1. Chair assisted squats tanks 10. Wake the glutes up, 2. Standing chair push-ups, incline, X10. Reactivate the chest and shoulders, 3. Standing, reach and rotate. Both sides, X8. This is the movement pattern your body forgot it had. This last block matters because mobility without strength doesn't last. We're not just loosening you up, we're teaching your body to perform again. Recap plus momentum. That's the full routine. Spine, hips, shoulders, neck, and standing reactivation. All done in the time it takes your coffee to go cold. Do this once mid-morning and once mid-afternoon, and you will feel the difference by day 3. Not day 30, day 3. If your job keeps you in a chair, this routine needs to become part of your day, not a one-time video you watched and forgot. Subscribe to Vital Body Project so you don't lose this. Drop a comment with the tightest spot on your body right now, and I'll build the next routine around it. Same time next week. Let's keep building a body that performs, not just survives the desk. See you then.